Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2002 guys. The given question is relation R is decomposed using a set of functional dependencies. Okay, so basically we are going to break a big table into multiple pieces. Okay, and they are saying F and relation S is decomposed using another set of functional dependencies G. Okay, one decomposition is definitely BCNF, the other is definitely 3NF, but it is not known which is which. To make guaranteed identification, which one of the following tests should be used on the decomposition? Assume that the closure of F and G are available. Okay, so now we are having the things of closure of F and G guys. Okay, and now we wanted to check, so basically what the exact question is, let us read the question again. So we are having a relation R guys, a table R which is decomposed into two parts. Okay, so using a set of functional dependencies F and S, so there are two relations F and S here, and is decomposed using another set of dependencies G. Okay, one decomposition is defined as BCNF and the other decomposition is defined as a 3NF. So now using what method can we say what is what? So that is what is the thing, right? Yes. Okay, so the thing is, if we use dependency preserving, or if we use a lossless joint, if we use a BCNF, or if we use a 3NF, so these are the four methods which they give, right? Yes. So I think the most appropriate answer will be, if we test BCNF, this particular closure will pass it and this particular one will fail, right? Because he is saying that the closure is available. So from the closure he can identify what are the dependencies, right? Or the dependencies will be given. So based on that dependencies, and if he use a BCNF, one will pass and the other will fail. So the passed one is nothing but BCNF and the failed one is nothing but 3NF. But that will be the most appropriate answer according to me. But few students will be like, okay, so I will use 3NF. So if you use 3NF, both of them will pass, right? Because BCNF already satisfied 3NF, 2NF, 1NF. So indirectly both of them will pass. So that is not a good approach. And moving on to lossless joint, both of them might fail, right? When it comes to lossless joint, or both of them might pass. So there is no guarantee with respect to lossless joint as well as data preservation, right? Yes, dependency preservation, right? Yes. So that is the reason why I think the most appropriate answer to guess or to apply to check which is which, the best approach will be BCNF, right? Yes. So and that too in BCNF, if you just have the functional dependencies and if you know the closures already, you can directly say if alpha implies beta, if alpha is a super key or candidate key, we can conclude that this particular dependency is in BCNF. So if every one of the dependencies are in that way, that is nothing but BCNF, and if one of them is not in BCNF, it's nothing but 3NF. So in that way we can easily find which table is which, right? Yes. Okay, so now I hope everyone got a clear idea on this, right? Yes. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.